Hello, today I'll be talking about the time I put a thumbtack in an electrical outlet. So, my story begins on a long time ago in school. So I was waking up in the my eyes burned. Ugh. I was watching my face just a little bit ago. I put accidentally put soap in my eyes and burns a lot. Ugh. Well, anyways, what was it talking about? Okay, so where I was leaving off, I put electrical. Not electrical. I didn't put no electrical in a thumbtack. I put a thumbtack in an electrical outlet. So today, it's not today. It was a long time ago. Well, anyways, it was a long time ago, and I put a thumbtack in an electrical outlet. It was pretty shocking. Pretty shocking. You get the pun? Pretty shocking, because I got shocked with a thumbtack in an electrical outlet, so it was not that fun. I was there for like 3 seconds straight. So anyways, I was in the morning, and I was like, yo, I'm bored. I was in my first period class, right? I do nothing in the first period. I do nothing. I'm waiting for this boring day. It was probably like during a Wednesday, so I was just bored doing nothing. I was being angry and sad. But at least I got to talk to my friends. So that's a positive. So, yeah. Pretty good. Pretty good. So, second period rolls around. And I was walking to my class. It's not too far. It's like 5 classes down. And I look over the corner and see the class, right? I was like, ooh, there's posters here. New posters that the teacher had added, right? So I was like looking, I'm like, oh, that's interesting. I saw uh I saw a dead dog. They were hanging the dog by its like feet or something, and hanging it. It was like somewhere. Yes, grandma. Yes.
Please. Sorry.
I cannot be angry at my grandma. No way, Jose. Where was I anyways? Oh yes. So I saw posters about like PETA and stuff, like the corporation about saving dog lives and stuff, and do not eat dogs. So I was like, oh, this is interesting. But she used thumbtacks to put them on. Okay, thumbtacks. And I was sitting next to the wall of the class. I'm like, oh, this is interesting. Look interesting. So during the middle of the class, I'm bored and all that, right? I was like, ooh. I'm looking at the teacher, right? I'm bored. I'm like, and all that, right? So I was looking around, doing nothing, just minding my own business, and listening, sub-listening. Sub-listening just means I'm not really there. I'm just listening subly, you know? So I'm like, ooh. And out of the corner of my eye, you know what I see? A thumbtack. I say, ooh, a thumbtack on the floor. That's very interesting. I see his thumbtack. I pick it up. It's sharp. Okay, so I'm like, ooh, I don't want to stab myself with this. This is gonna be painful if I stab myself. I'm gonna get like tinnitus, like the stuff you get from getting rusty stuff in your blood. So I don't want to get that. I was like, oh, okay, I'm not gonna try to stab myself that because that's just weird. But I see an electrical outlet. Now these electrical outlets are blue. They're blue electrical outlets. So I'm like, it looks like it's too far that the thingies will not connect. They will not do electrocution. Okay? So I'm like, I was like, can you fit it in there? And that's what she said. Okay? So I fit in there. I like slowly, like, I'll show you like interpretation. With my chopstick. It is vanilla bean. Like, so this is the outlet. This is it. I'm like stuck there for like, I would say 3 seconds straight. Like stuck there. And it was really painful. This pain was so painful that I had felt it through the entire day. For some reason, my hand was shaking a little bit, like this, like very not like shaking like this. It was like more like a little, it's like a soft little twitch. But that only lasted for like 30 seconds at most. But after that, it just hurt for the entire day. I was like telling my friends and all that, like, dude, I put a thumbtack in the electrical outlet and it was crazy. That's what I said to them. So, yeah, it was a good day for me. Not a good day. It was a bad day. I mean, overall the day was a good day as I remember. I never had bad days at school because I know everyone there, you know. So it's like I got a lot of friends in there, so it's like hey. All right. So yeah, it was an interesting day with a lot of putting stuff in other stuff, and that's what she said.